Activity diagram. What is an activity diagram and how it is used? Activity diagrams are used to document the workflows in a system. So it can be helpful for the business and business level to the operational level. So what are the attributes in the activity diagram? So activity states, these are used to mark an action by an object. Transition. Activity state is completed and the process moves to another activity. So the change from one activity state to the other activity state is shown by the transition. What is swimlane? Swimlane divide activities according to the objects by arranging objects in a column format and placing activities by that object within the column. So it divides the activities of a particular. So suppose if you take student, so student activities are displayed in one column and administrative activities are displayed in one column, such that you can differentiate among the particular use case activities. What is initial state? You know, initial state marks the entry point in the initial state activity, and final state shows the final end of the flow. And synchronization bar. So the two main terms in the synchronization bar is fork and join, which is used for the multiple activities. So multiple activities, multiple input and multiple output, and if multiple functions have to take place, the synchronization bar is used. So you can see here the symbol of synchronization bar. Let's go to the UML. So this is the activity diagram. This is without swim lane. So you can see the initial point and the activity state, registration, login, and if invalid users it will come back, or if it's a valid then it will select the category. So it's for the writing the exam. So you can see apply for the exam, print hall ticket, view results. So if you want to take test directly, you can see here we are using synchronization bar over here. This is fork, and you can see this is the join. So 3 points are joined over here. So you can start, select answer, submit answer. Here we have given the self loop so that the answers will be collected. So you can display the score over here and log out. And we have activity diagram with swimlane. So you can see this is with swimlane. So you can see different as we told, the details of the student and the exam system is separated by the columns. So this is with swimlane. So this is the student section, this is the exam section. So initially it will start from the student. So he will register, login, and when he does this process, it will go and ask the exam system to validate if these are the valid details. You can see about the exam, select exam, take exam, submit answers, view results, and finally everything is done and you can log out from the process. So like this you can construct a simple activity diagrams with swimlane and without swimlane for online examination system.